What is the importance of discharge summary in cases of negligence? Do follow-up advice post-discharge have any significance in cases of negligence? In a recent judgment from the State Commission, the patient came to the hospital and delivered a baby at 28 weeks of pregnancy. The baby weighed 1.3 kgs. The baby was shifted to the NICU, and after a span of 42 days, the baby was discharged. During one of the follow-ups, post-discharge, the mother complained of watering of the eyes in the baby. The obstetrician prescribed a few medicines. With no relief despite repeated complaints, the mother showed the baby to an ophthalmologist. The ophthalmologist diagnosed retinopathy of immaturity, ROP stage 5. The baby was declared blind. The parents of the baby filed a case against the obstetrician and the hospital. They alleged had an ophthal reference been taken early, they could have saved the vision of the child. In defense, the obstetrician and the hospital stated that they had taken an ophthal reference. The court, after perusing the discharge summary, observed that in the column mentioning ROP screening, the doctor had written a capital NO, no. Furthermore, the court mentioned that during the period of stay of 42 days in the NICU, there was no reference to an ophthal as per the discharge summary. And last but not least, the court stated that in the follow-up after discharge, there was no mention of an ophthal reference in the discharge summary. For all these above mentioned reasons, the court held the obstetrician and the hospital negligent and awarded a very high compensation to the parents. What is a discharge summary? It is a documentation of the treatment rendered during the period of stay, right from admission to discharge. A court goes through it with a fine tooth comb in cases of negligence. Hence, a lot of care and contemplation must be taken into account when recording the discharge summary, especially follow-up post-discharge, which should be clear and simple. Thank you.